All right, so just continuing on from the last video there, just to try and write this out properly. Okay, so work for A is equal to work for B, but as horizontal distance for A is greater than for B, then to ensure work is the same, more force is required to go up ramp B and less on ramp A. So that's why we use inclines like that. The sort of the steadier the slope, or the longer the slope to go up, it actually requires less force. If you've got a really steep slope, that requires you to use quite a lot of force to get up that, even though it may be the same distance, like vertical distance, your horizontal distance does affect the total amount of force that is required. Okay, and this is due to work is equal to force times distance. So if distance increases, then force must decrease, basically, to balance that out. Okay, so this is an excellence answer for both parts here. To get the full excellence, you need to be able to state that the ramp A requires less force as the work is done as the same, and ramp A requires less power as the work is the same, and that is related to the time, and the force, less force for A is related to the distance. There is also merit marks to be gained from this as well. So talking about their work is related to the height of the vertical distance, so the work is going to be equal for both of those. And then there's a few other bits and pieces there that if you don't get the full excellence, you could get there as well. And yeah, so there's quite a lot in that question. You just really need to have a good understanding of vertical and horizontal and how that all sort of plays out.